Understanding Park Hopper, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, park hopper. Whether you're a traveler, a theme park enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and understand what park hopper really means. Park hopper is a compound noun composed of two words, park and hopper. Typically, this phrase is used in the context of theme parks or amusement parks. A park hopper refers to a ticket or pass that allows visitors to go to multiple parks within a single day or a set period of time. This is especially common in large theme park resorts with multiple parks, like Disneyland or Universal Studios. To help you understand better, let's look at how park hopper can be used in sentences. We bought park hopper tickets so we could visit all 4 Disney parks in 2 days. Is it worth getting a park hopper pass for our trip? With a park hopper, you can switch between the water park and the theme park throughout the day. Understanding park hopper also involves a bit of cultural context. These passes are popular in countries with large theme park industries, like the United States. They are designed for tourists who want to experience multiple attractions in a short period. It reflects the culture of maximizing holiday experiences, especially in family and entertainment-focused destinations. Sometimes, park hopper can have variations like hopper pass or multi-park ticket. It's also similar to terms like all-access pass or multi-day pass in other leisure contexts. While the specific terms may vary, the core idea remains the same. These are tickets that offer broader access than standard ones. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase park hopper and its usage in English. Remember, learning a language also involves understanding the cultural and contextual nuances behind phrases. Keep exploring and enjoying your English learning journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning!